there's some of you that have known me a while, and then some of you that haven't. And the guys that haven't known me that while are probably better off. I'm 4.5 years sober, and I'm a lot better person now. It's a different life. I'm a different person, and I'm grateful for it. Anyway, I like to sing this song in honor of being sober. Because I try to remember how it was so that I don't go back. You know what I'm saying? I hurt myself today to see if I still feel focus on the pain. The only thing that's real. The needle tears a hole. The old familiar sting. Try to kill it all away. But I remember everything. What have I become? My sweetest friend. Everyone I know goes away in the end. You could have it all. My empire of dirt, I'll let you down. I will make you hurt. I'll wear my crown of thorns upon my liar's chair, full of broken thoughts I cannot repair. Beneath the stains of time, the feeling disappears. You are someone else, and I can still right here. What have I become? My sweetest friend. Everyone I know goes away in the end. And you could have it all. My empire of dirt, I will let you down. I will make you hurt. If I could start again 1,000,000 miles away, I would keep myself. I would find a way.